Hi, my name is Wojtek and welcome to Happy Socks Warsaw concept store. It all started back in 2008 with a super simple vision to spread happiness all around the world with a very essential product that was turned into a design piece with rigid standard of quality, craftsmanship and creativity. Where our goal is to provide our customers with the best product they can get and also give them the right experience. And that means not only just selling the socks, but also making them feel happy while they do it. And custom packaging is absolutely necessary to do it because it means whenever they enter the shop, they feel like at home and they smile and they feel welcomed. So we pay attention to details. We think it's important. That's why custom packaging for us is a great marketing touch point and gives them the right unboxing experience. We believe there is a pair of socks and underwear for every occasion, mindset and style, and that means packaging as well. And we use different forms of custom branded packaging, from paper bags to custom branded boxes. Fantastic upselling tool, buy two, get a box for free, adhesive tapes and custom branded poly mailers. We even get customers coming back to our shops asking specifically for packaging, not socks. The best thing about working with Packhelp is that those guys can pretty much answer all our needs, which means whenever we have like a special event out in the city, we don't have to order hundreds of thousands of custom branded packaging. The minimum quantities are low enough for us to get it done really fast, get it shipped to us really fast, and be satisfied with the service.